Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video. In this video, I will tell you some important static questions which will help you in any exam. So here is the first current affair, then it's four option, then is image. The pattern is same as we follow in the last few video of current affairs. First current affair. Which of the following is called the mother of parliaments? A. The German parliament. B. The American parliament. C. The France parliament. D. The British parliament. The answer is D. The British parliament. Here's the image of British parliament. Second, who said man is a social animal? A. Plato. B. Aristotle. C. Rousseau. D. Socrates. The answer is B. Aristotle. Third, which amidst the following countries of the European Union has not adopted the single currency euro? A. Denmark. B. The Netherlands. C. Portugal. D. Spain. The answer is A. Denmark. Fourth, the main advocate of utilitarianism is A. Herbert Spencer. B. J.S. Mill. C. Abraham Lincoln. D. Jeremy Bentham. The answer is D. Jeremy Bentham. Fifth, who conquered Mount Everest 10 times? A. Rita Ang. B. Navang Gombu. C. Yasuo Katu. D. Tenzing Norgay. The answer is A. Rita Ang. Sixth, what was the original name of the Shahid Minar in Kolkata? A. Victoria Memorial. B. Octagonal Memorial. C. Hastings Square. D. Chaurangi. The answer is B. Octagonal Memorial. Seventh, which of the following rivers is causing dispute among Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra? A. Kaveri. B. Tapti. C. Koshi. D. Krishna. The answer is D. Krishna. 8. The world's first test tube dolphins were born in A. Singapore. B. Beijing. C. Hong Kong. D. Seoul. The answer is C. Hong Kong. 9th, the first example of an enacted constitution is A. The American Constitution. B. The Chinese Constitution. C. The Russian Constitution. D. The France Constitution. The answer is A. The American Constitution. 10th, which of the following is a wonder of the ancient world? A. The Great Wall of China. B. The Taj Mahal. C. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon. D. The Catacombs of Alexandria. The answer is C. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon. 11th, in which country people participate in the amendment of the constitution? A. France. B. England. C. Switzerland. D. USA. The answer is C. Switzerland. 12th, what is the name of the Prime of Wales Museum in India? A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum. B. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Museum. C. Indira Gandhi Museum. D. Rabindranath Tagore Museum. The answer is A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum. 13th, who created Hotmail? A. Sabir Bhatia. B. Bill Gates. C. Jack St. Clair Kilby. D. Donald W. Davis. The answer is B. Bill Gates. 14th, magma which is forced onto Earth's surface is known as A. Lava. B. Vent. C. Cone. D. None of the above. The answer is A. Lava. 15th, which of the following is abundant in gobar gas? A. Carbon dioxide. B. methane, C. oxygen, D. hydrogen. The answer is B. methane. Greenland belongs to which European country? A. Denmark, B. Norway, C. Sweden, D. Finland. The answer is A. Denmark. In which country there is no difference between constitutional law and ordinary law? A. UK, B. USA, C. Germany, D. India. The answer is A. UK. 18th. Which country started competitive examination for civil service for the first time? A. Britain, B. France, C. China, D. United States. The answer is C. China. 19th. Where are the world famous pyramids found? A. Egypt, B. Persia, C. Arabia, D. Italy. The answer is A. Egypt. 20. Which of the following nations has the largest Muslim population? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Bangladesh, C. Iran, D. Indonesia. The answer is D. Indonesia. 21. Which city is also known as the Big Apple? A. Madrid, Spain, B. Lausanne, Switzerland, C. Canberra, Australia, D. New York, USA. The answer is D. New York, USA. 22. Who was the founder director of TIFR? The full form of TIFR is Tata Institute of Fundamental Researches. A. S.S. Bhatnagar, B. H.J. Bhabha, C. M.N. Saha, D. Vikram Sarabhai. The answer is B. H.J. Bhabha. 23. Where was the first engineering college of India located? A. Bombay, B. Roorkee, C. Varanasi, D. Calcutta. The answer is B. Roorkee. Last question, 24. Which freedom fighter among the following was sent to Kala Pani for 50 years? A. Dada Bhai Nauroji, B. Veer Savarkar, C. Motilal Nehru, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is B. Veer Savarkar. Thank you guys for this video. Like the video and tell me one thing in the comment section. How many question answer did you know? And share the video as much as possible and subscribe our channel for new updates. Thank you guys.